Hello dear students, we are discussing the chapter playing with numbers, isn't it? In this chapter, in the first exercise, we have done the 5 problems, that is substituting values to the letters. So now let us look at the 6th problem. Before going to 6th problem, I said all the students to try from 6 to 10 and send it to me, but no one has done that. So dear students, this is now compulsory. After watching the video, you have to send me the notes, and on the same day you have to watch and you have to send me the notes. Plus, in the video comment section, you have to write your name, section and roll number. This is compulsory. Then only I will mark your attendance. Okay. Now let us go to the 6th question. The 6th question here is A B into 5 C A B. Here we see that the 5 should be multiplied with the value of B, and in the ones place we should get back the same B value, isn't it? So what could be such possible value? First, let us try with taking B is equals to 0. So 5 into 0 is equals to 0. So in the unit place we are getting 0 itself. Next, so let us do this first. A 0 into 5 zeros are 0, and multiplying with A we should get CA. So what could be the value of A that we can get here? 2-digit numbers C and A. So here again at the tens place and the tens place, the both the numbers should be same, isn't it? So let take A is equals to 5. Let us take A is equals to 5. Then let us check 5 0 into 5. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. So the value of the tens place here and the value of the tens place here is same. Therefore the value of B is equals to 0, and the value of A is equals to 5, and the value of C we got it as 2. Okay, understood? Fine. Let us go for the next question. 7th question. The 7th question is A B and multiplied with 6, and the result is B and B. So what could be the possible values of B first? So 6, how much the same number? So that it can be 6 b can be 1, that 6 ones are 6. So again, after taking multiplying, assuming that b is equals to 1, let us take some value of a, that we can get the double b's, means here also it should be 6. Is there any number 6 up to 9? 6 ones are 6, double digit, no. 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, no. 6 sixes are 36, no. No, the same same digits are not coming, right? Even if you take it as 9, we can't take 10, but if you take it as 9 also, it is what? 54. So hence double digits are not same, so b cannot be 1. So now next let us take b is equals to 2, then 6 twos are 12, isn't it? 6 twos are 12. So again it is ending with 2. Is that possible? So we will get a carry 1 here. Can we get 22 here by adding 1 to this? 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7, no. 6 twos are 12 plus 1 13, no. 6 threes are 18 plus 1 19, no. 6 fives are 30 plus 1, no. 6 sixes are 36, 36 plus 1 37, no chance. Now next number, let us try with b is equals to 4. So let us try with b is equals to 4. A b into 6, right? In the place of b, we will try with b is equals to 4, then we will get 6 into 4 is equals to 24. So here also 4, here also 4, because one's place of 4. So now let us take to carry on a. So we should get double b here, the same digits. 6 ones are 6 plus 2 8, no. 6 twos are 12 plus 2 14, no. 6 threes are 18 plus 2 20, no. 6 fours are 24 plus 2 26, no. 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are how much? 42 plus 2 44. Yes, here also we are getting 4, here also we are getting 44. Therefore let us take b is equals to 4, then a and a is equals to 7. So what happens? 74 into 6. 6 fours are 24, carry 2. 6 sevens are 42 plus 2 44. So it is b b b. Therefore the value of b is equals to 4 and the value of a is equals to 7. Got it? I hope you people has done with the addition. If you have not done, do the remaining part with the addition. Fine. So now I will go for the divisibility test. Tests of divisibility. What is the meaning of divisibility? 3 is divisible by which number? 3 is only divisible by 3, right? 6 is divisible by which number? 6 can be divisible. What is the meaning of divisible? Divisible means if you divide the number, the remainder must be 0. 6, 2, 3 is a 6, 0. What can be another number? 3, 2 is a 6, 0. And what can be another number? 6, 1 is a 6, 0. So this is meant by divisibility. When the remainder becomes 0, we call it as a divisibility. Completely divisible. Okay. So let us check for such completely divisible techniques. By seeing the number or little computation or little analyze, you must be able to say that the number is divisible by what number. Okay. Let us see. First is divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. Dear students, can you easily tell which number is divisible by 10 or which is not? Let us take an example. When you see 20, yes, you can tell that it is divisible by 10. 10 2s are 20, the remainder is 0. Isn't it? By seeing 100, can you tell it is divisible by 10? By seeing 100, this is 100. Can you tell it is divisible by 10? Yes, isn't it? 10 tens are 100. So let us take one more number. 160. Is it divisible by 10? 10 16s are 160, isn't it? So by observing all these above numbers, 20 is also divisible by 2, 100 is also 20 is divisible by 10, 100 is also divisible by 10, 160 is also divisible by 10. By seeing all these three numbers, what you can conclude about the divisibility of 10? Yes, very good. You can say that any number ends with 0. Any number which ends with 0 is divisible by 10. Is divisible by 10. Understanding, right? We are not, I agree that these all numbers are divisible by 5 also, divisible by 2, and maybe from other numbers also. But here the question is whether they are divisible by 10 or not, because we are learning divisibility by 10. Okay, understand? We are talking about whether the given number is divisible by 10 or not. So what do you concluded here? Any number ends with 0 is divisible by 10. So I will give you a group of numbers. Tell me whether they are divisible by 10 or not. 20, 65, 30, 270, 336, 7000. Is this divisible by 10? Yes. Ending with 0, divisible by 10. 65 is not ending with 0, not divisible by 10. 30 ending with 0, divisible by 10. 270 ending with 0, divisible by 10. 336 ending with 6, not divisible by 10. 7000 ending with 0, divisible by 10. I hope you have understood what is divisibility test for 10. So now let us go for divisibility test for 5. First, let us take few numbers. 5, 23, 35, 76 and 80. So let us check. Try to divide the 5 with 5, because we are checking for divisibility test of 5. 5 ones are 5, 0. Yes, it is completely divisible by 5. Next, 23. 5, how much? 5 fours are 20. Remainder is 3. It is not divisible by 5 because the remainder is 5. Next number is 35. 35 divided with 5. 5 how much are 35? 5 sevens are 35. Yes, 35 is also divisible by 5. Next number is 76. Try to divide it with 5. 5 ones are 5. I got 26 here. 5 5s are 25. Sorry, 5 5s are 25. I got the remainder 1. So it means that 76 is not divisible by 5. And the last number what I have, 80. Try to divide 80 by 5. 5 how much are? 5 ones are 5. 3, take it as 0 here. Now 5 6 are 30. So this is also divisible by 5. So here, by doing this test, we came to know that 5 is divisible by 5. 23 is not divisible by 5. 35 is divisible by 5. 76 is not divisible by 5. 80 is divisible by 5. So what could be your conclusion, dear students? Yes, very good. The any numbers ending with 5 or 0 are divisible by 5. Understood? The any numbers ending with 5 and 35 5 and 0, any numbers ending with 5 and 0 are divisible by 5. So what is the conclusion for divisibility for 5? Any numbers ends with 0 and 5 are divisible are divisible by 5. This is our conclusion. Okay. Now divisibility test for 2, or divisible by divisibility by 2. Okay, let us take few set of numbers: 2, 6, 8, 11, 16, 19, 21. Do this come under 2 table? 2 comes under 2 table, isn't it? Yes. 6 comes under 2 table, yes. 8, yes. 2 4s are 8. So now see the 11, whether it is divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. But in 2 table we don't get 11, so it is not divisible by 2. 16, 2 8s are 19, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So 19 lies in between. 19 lies in between. 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. 19 lies in between those two numbers, so it is not divisible by. Similarly 21, no. 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22. Again it is not divisible. So by observing here, what you can conclude? See, 2 is even, 6 is even, 8 is even, 16 is even. The numbers which are divisible here by 2 are even. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd. So we can conclude that any even numbers are, here R is merged within the S, take care of that. Any even numbers are any even numbers are divisible by any even numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, got it? Okay, dear students, write these things in your notes and send it to me by evening, and you must watch the video and comment your name, roll number and section in the comment box in the YouTube. And dear students, if you have any doubts or queries, you can call me on 9591862521, or you can WhatsApp me you have to WhatsApp me your answers on 90084788854. And if you want any clarifications or tuitions, you can call me on the above number. Thank you.